So this is actually the pattern that I told you guys many times that I like the most. Is because, so actually yesterday US market, it pumped up strongly and rebounded above around this area and tested this resistance, then dropped back down. This resistance here, double top, and then drop all the way back down around 4, I think it's 4 in the morning. Let me check. Yeah, it's around 4 in the morning. He dropped all the way back down, back to where he closed yesterday. So right now it's still dropping. I haven't found out why yet, but mainly because of the earnings from the US side. So not sure how it will bring the impact for the Malaysian market, because it actually it closed plus 200 something for Nasdaq, and then right now the futures is minus 200 something. So it's like sideways. It's like the same, but I'm not sure how will the Malaysian react to this number. Maybe they will just watch the futures minus 200 something only, then the sentiment will be bad. So I'm still holding for CUSCAPI at 0.235. It's I'm just going to follow through my plan. So for CUSCAPI, like I mentioned in the chat, it will going to be a 1 to 3 days short contrast swing. And because he's holding right here 235, he's holding at 0.235 for around 2 days. So I'm going to let it play out and then set my support at 0.225. So yeah, I mean holding at 2.3. So I'm going to set my support at 2.25 and then just go ahead and cut if it drops down. So it's like a 2 bits of risk, and then it might go further up to around, which I expect it will go to around here, 2.7. The previous resistance right here. If you can break out even stronger, then it's good. But my aim is right here, 2 bits of risk to around 5 to 7 bits of profits. It's good enough. So this is my plan for CUSCAPI. And then for GOB, I'm still looking at it, but it's strong holding above 30 cents. It's always strong. I'm still waiting for it to retrace, but it does not retrace. I'm not sure why, but it's really strong. Even though with low volume, he does not retrace back down. So this one, we can still look at it. Maybe it will go sideways for another days, but I hope it's for today. And then tomorrow it pushes it up again. So yeah, if it's able to rest at SMA 5, it's the best. TANCO. So the TANCO, I'm still watching, still looking at it. It's still supporting. I'm not sure when will he push up, but the thing is, it's Warren, TANCO Warren, already pushed up 20 cents, above 20 cents. During yesterday, during closing, suddenly someone just spikes it up and above 20 cents. So let's see the mother share will have any movement today. Okay, so actually right now I'm actually going to watch TANCO more because it's Warren. Like I said, it's Warren, it's Sun. The Warren share has actually broke out from 20 cents. So the Warren might bring up the mother sentiment and then continue to pop up further. So let me see if he can stand above 0.355 and 0.36, which I mentioned is the resistance, which is strong resistance. It's actually at 0.355 to 0.36. So I'm going to watch if it's able to break out and the momentum is there to entry. And then the next one is ANCOMLB. ANCOMLB is actually still consolidating, but it's attempting already. You can see the volume come in. It's attempting, but I'm not sure. I think the volume is not enough yet. Somebody needs to break through 0.13, like I said previously. 0.13 resistance. 0.13 is a strong one. So what is the syndicate doing? Syndicate is doing sideways range in between 0.11 to 0.13. I did update it long ago. he's blocking at 0.11, which he doesn't want the price to go below. So you can see that it keeps supporting above 0.11 from the chart. And then 0.13, he also doesn't want it to break out first. I'm not sure why, but he's blocking inside the range. So this stock can't have further upsides unless it breaks above 0.13. So keep on looking at it, because I think someone is trying to attempt to break the 0.13, but I'm not sure if the syndicate will let him to do it. But the volume is definitely coming in, and yeah, it's resting at SMA 5. So yeah, it's a potential one. It's OMESTI. Let me run through you this OMESTI. Actually, OMESTI, I think it's linked. It has some sort of link with MicroLink, and I saw some news about it. I'm not. I think he has some news with cooperating with China. I'm not sure if I'm mistaken. So there's a bit of link right there, OMESTI and MicroLink. So we're going to watch it first, but be careful. This stock is very high risk because from the market depths, you can see that he has very less buyer and very less seller. So it's like it's also a manipulated stock, but this manipulated stock is very, very, the buyer is not there and the seller is not there. So the syndicate can actually pump up really fast or sell it down very fast. So you need to be careful of this stock if you wanted to play this stock. It might get hard to stop loss because suddenly the seller might gone or the buyer might gone. So yeah, just be careful of this stock. OMESTI, if you guys want to touch. So the next one is TAFI. TAFI actually broke out, but it did not go higher. It closed at the breakout price 0.54. So we're still going to watch it, but it's slow. It's really, really slow. But I mean, for right now, it's really slow. So it's potential to go above around 645. If it can stands above 0.54, maybe it will go like this, break above and then retest a little bit and then go above again and test a little bit and then go again. So the chart is actually trending nicely. It's trending like this nicely, but the point is the volume is not as much as I expected when it pushed up previously. So it might be slow, but I'm not looking for a swing right here. I might just go for maybe 2 to 3 bits or 4 bits and get out, because this stock, if it can stand 54 cents. So if it can't stand above 54 cents, then we need to monitor where's the support first, and then it might be good for a quick swing. But I'm really not looking for a swing right now because US might gone into a retracement, and then KLCI, FMKLCI also reaches a resistance and then pulling back right now. So I'm still looking for quick scalp positions in Bursa because I don't want to get stuck. Okay, so actually logic has movement. FM and maybe Maybach or maybe Swift actually have some movement yesterday. You can see that there's a small volume. I'm not sure if this volume is able to sustain. So I'm still going to put in my watch list today. So for FM and Swift, I actually like FM more because of the chart pattern, but I don't like its market depths. From the chart pattern, it's potentially to go around to 58 cents to 60 cents. So this is actually the pattern that I told you guys many times that I like the most. Is because there's a quick flush right here which will trap people. So when they push it up, it will be easier, but the flush is not quick enough. I mean, it's not large enough. So the resistance might still be there, because if it went from 60 cents all the way to around 48 cents or even lower, then I might have more confidence because it drops more. But right now, the resistance might still be there because it drops not that much only. But chart pattern wise, FM looks better than Swift, but from the market depth wise, Swift is better than FM. So I'm going to monitor these two together. but I'm not sure if the momentum is able to sustain today. So I'm still going to monitor it first. Okay, so it's 8:55. I'm going to end soon. And what I'm going to monitor is, first one is TANCO, and then the following one is in my watch list, for example, like FM, like Swift, and ANCOMLB or CUSCAPI, I'm still going to monitor it. And then the next one might be GOB. So I'm going to keep you guys updated in the group.
Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.